Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to lock header and footer in Microsoft Word so they stay fixed and protect from accidental editing. This is method this method is perfect for reports, assignments, office documents and branded templates where headers or footers must remain unchanged. Instead of worrying about someone modify page number or header text, you will discover a clean and professional way to restrict editing using built-in protection tools in Word. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. You can see here an assignment for my college. Now I want to add the header and footer and locked it. Then go to the insert menu first. Then click the header option. Now I am choose the top of header. Then write my header text. Then double click on the main page. Then go back again the insert and now I am make the page number as a footer. Go to the bottom of page. Then close the header and footer. Now we can see the first step is locked header and footer. Go to the header and footer. Then we can see here the footer and header is unlocked. The first step is close the header and footer. Go to the design menu and close this. Then second and final option is restrict editing. Now I am select this restrict editing. Go to the review menu and select the restrict editing. Then we can see here option formatting restriction, limit formatting to a selection of style, editing restriction, allow only this type of editing in document, start enforcement. Are you ready to apply these settings? You can turn them off later. Now I am select on the first and the second and select everyone. Then click the save option. You can set the password. Then click OK. Now we restrict the option editing. I hope you understand this process. This process is very easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching friends.